Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you own the form and have a Google account with editing rights. Open the form and hit the gear icon to access General, Presentation, and Quizzes. Once done, enable essentials like collecting email addresses and restrict responses if required. This sets permission and identity behavior. Make sure to check the quiz toggle only if scoring matters. These first steps establish who can respond and how data is collected, so you avoid permission surprises later. Now you design the question flow, add sections to chunk content, and use conditional branching so respondents see only relevant questions. Once a section is in place, set response validation, required toggles, and question types that match your data needs. This ensures cleaner inputs. Then customize appearance. Choose header image, theme color, and font style. Preview on both mobile and desktop to confirm spacing and readability. Make sure to test branching paths to confirm every logic route works as intended. Finish by connecting the form to a Google Sheet for live data and enable response receipts if you want confirmation sent automatically. Assign editors or collaborators with appropriate permissions and schedule form availability or closing dates in settings. Once published, test the full response path yourself. If something breaks, test in an incognito window and inspect any app script or quota errors. Often it's permissions, misset branching, or a cached preview. Make sure to adjust sharing and retest after fixes to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.